Hello friends, welcome to the Hindi English class. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get a latest notification. Today we will learn daily used sentences in Hindi and English. So let's get started. क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं? Means, can you tell me? Can you tell me? आप कितने बजे आएंगे? Means, what time will you come? What time will you come? मुझे समय की ज़रूरत है. Means, I need time. I need time. बहुत धन्यवाद. Means, thank you very much. Thank you very much. क्या आपको यह चाहिए? Means, do you need this? Do you need this? आपकी सहायता के लिए धन्यवाद. Means, thank you for your assistance. Thank you for your assistance. मुझे गर्मी लग रही है. Means, I feel hot. I feel hot. आपकी खुशी मेरे लिए महत्वपूर्ण है. Means, your happiness is important to me. Your happiness is important to me. मुझे घर जाना है. Means, I need to go home. I need to go home. आपका स्वास्थ्य कैसा है? Means, how is your health? How is your health? क्या आप ठीक है? Means, are you okay? Are you okay? मुझे अच्छा लगा. Means, I liked it. I liked it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.